Every story begins with a dream. Ours began with a vision of Father Faustino de Souza, a dream to create a place where young minds would learn, grow, and find their way. A seed was planted, rooted in faith, inspired by Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus. It slowly began to grow. This is our story from roots to horizon. Before there were achievements, there were foundations. Before there were dreams reaching for the horizon, there were hands that taught us how to dream. Our roots are the sisters who gave this school its spirit, the teachers who gave knowledge a purpose, and the staff who often quietly became an essential part of every generation that passed through these gates. For 80 years, they have not simply taught us lessons, they have shaped lives. They became the light that leads us on.
Welcome to St. Teresa High School, Santisteva. We are on a beautiful island. I especially owe my gratitude to our founder, Father Faustino de Souza, and our three founding sisters who came here to begin education in this village. It was way back on 19th of July 1946 that the school began.
This 80 years, God has blessed us and blessed many children whom we educated, our sisters and the teachers who educated many children and who are better citizens of this country. And I thank God for blessing us and blessing many students through our institution. God bless them all.
For 8 decades, our school has nurtured young minds with values, compassion, and knowledge. As a teacher, I feel proud to be part of this occasion.
I thank God for the gift of glorious 80 years.
Years passed, faces changed, the world changed, but the values remained. What one generation received, it quietly passed on to the next. And soon, those little children began to dream beyond the gates.
What started as a humble beginning is now a proud institution. And yes, I'm proud to be a part of this institution now.
80 वर्सां म्हळ्यार हो फक्त वेळ काळाचो प्रवास न्हय, तर तातूंत मुल्यां, तत्वां, संस्कार हांचो मोलादीक वारसो. आज आमी 80 वर्सां पुराय करता आमचें हायस्कूल. सेंट ट्रिजाच्या आशिर्वादान आमी अशीच दशकां पर्यंत पावल मारचें आनी अनेक अश्यो पिढयो घडच्यो अशें आमी देवा लागीं मागता.
They say firsts are very special, and St. Teresa High School has been the first school and the only school where I have been a teacher.
With heart full of gratitude, we thank Almighty God for blessing our school with 80 wonderful years of learning, faith, and service.
St. Teresa High School is not just a school for me. It is a part of my life's journey. I have walked through these corridors as a student, entrusted my children to this institution as a parent, and today I have the privilege of serving my alma mater as a teacher.
Where there is love, there is God. And where there is God, there is unity. फादर फाउस्टिनो के इस कथन से हमें एक प्रेरणा मिलती है. संत स्तेव के संत तेरेसा विद्यालय केवल मेरी यह कर्मभूमि नहीं है, बल्कि मेरा गौरव है.
Rooted in the vision of Father Faustino de Souza, the Sisters of the Holy Family of Nazareth continue to inspire generations through love, learning, and faith.
Today, I pass this light to the new generation as a hope and confidence. Saint Teresa guide them, give them the knowledge and the faith. Happy 80th anniversary to each and every one. Once a Theresian, always a Theresian. God bless.
The students are more than the future of this school. They are its living legacy. Every achievement, every dream, every milestone carries a little piece of the foundation built before them. From classrooms to competitions, from dreams to accomplishments, they continue to take the spirit of the school beyond its gates. The roots gave them strength, the horizon gives them possibility.
Father Founder used to say, humility is the root of all virtues. Be humble and God will be pleased with you. Throughout this school, I have learned to be humble. I have learned to grow in love and generosity rather than pride. These 8 decades were not just years. They were hands that inspire, nurtured and molded the future of many.
Father Faustino tells us that every month increase your treasure with 5 new skills. This made me multitasking and helped me to handle many things together. I'm really happy for being a student of St. Teresa High School.
Being in this school is a great chance for me to become a positive person step by step. At home we may learn everything, but in school, in presence of our teachers, our friends, our headmistress, our manager and everyone else, it becomes much easier to grow positively.
Proud to be the head boy of St. Teresa High School. It was an opportunity that I grabbed to be the head boy, and I'm lucky to be chosen in the year when we are celebrating 80 years.
A school's greatest legacy isn't found in its walls, it's found in the lives that leave them. The roots give them strength, the light leads them forward, and generation after generation, the story continues. It began with a dream, it grew through faith, dedication, and love. 80 years later, the roots still remain strong, the light still shines, and the horizon is waiting. From roots to horizon, this story lives on.
Right from the beginning, Sister Bertha, and then over the years that the sisters have worked, and the teachers who gave their life and worked with dedication. Thank you and God bless you.
I'm proud to be a Theresian.
Proud to be a Theresian.
I'm proud to be a Theresian.
I'm proud to be a Theresian.
I'm proud to be a Theresian. I'm proud to be a Theresian.
I'm proud to be a Theresian.
I am proud to be a Theresian. I am proud to be Theresian.
Proud to be a Theresian.
I'm proud to be a Theresian.
Proud to be a Theresian. Cheers!